Monsieur, grenadier! Enemy down! There! Shit! Grenade! I need to reload! Enemy down!
He's right here! One of them is right here! Damn it! He's right on top of me! There's one!
Hulk smash.
Damn it! He's right here!
I guess that's one way of doing it.
Back up! We need to keep moving and get off the streets.
A little help with the wagon, monsieur?
And so he said, I'll get off the streets. Okay, well, I get it. Alrighty. Huh.
Percival. Percival, do you read me?
Save your breath, monsieur. The buildings are blocking the signal.
The curse of progress. Hand me your monocular.
Monocular.
I can see our target. The hospital is 2 miles west.
Do you see our
Okay.
comrades?
Not yet.
Pushable and oh, I gotta. Well, there's a lot of gunfire over there.
There. It must be them.
Yeah.
Shall we join the soirée?
Let's invite a few friends, shall we? Air Command, this is Galahad. I need response from anyone in the vicinity of Whitechapel. Air Command, this is
We are without sanction here. The Lord Chancellor will be most displeased. Lafayette does not fancy a court-martial.
We'll worry about that later.
Sir Galahad, this is Sentinel-5. We are 3 leagues northeast of Whitechapel. Please state directives.
Sentinel-5, this is Galahad. We require air support on standby.
Acknowledged, Sir Galahad. We are signaling blue-red at a 1-second interval. We request your visual confirmation for heading change.
Airships on it. That one. There we go.
Sir Galahad, this is Sentinel-5. We have visual confirmation of your position. Heading change to 224 degrees. Assuming holding pattern above Whitechapel in 8 minutes.
Acknowledged, Sentinel-5. Await further orders at location.
Let's go. The smell of pestilence.
Your Parisian slums are more fragrant, I suppose.
Merde smells like merde, monsieur. Anyway. After you.
Of course. And fail.
Not to worry, monsieur. I'm all right.
Oh, wow, good job. Not what I expected to happen. Haha. Nice. The sack boy. What is the sack boy doing here? What a big planet didn't exist back then. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. I want to fight more Lycans. See, I can go under one of those, but apparently the other two
Patience,
couldn't.
Marquis.
This world again. Patience. Always patience.
Reloading.
Leave that, Jimmy. Get going. Come on, I'll cover our bases. Yes, sir.
We've got
Come on, let's go. Move.
Need to reload. Rebel leader down. Let's move.
Way to give away our position.
I need to reload.
I'll cover you.
Constable, keep your head down.
Yes, sir. They got me pinned from below.
You did, bitch. What was that? Can I have one?
Did you?
We encountered some resistance.
The rebels are better armed than we expected.
There's markings. Look familiar.
It's one of ours. Where'd you find this?
Follow me.
Mon Dieu. There is enough firepower here for a small army.
Some of this ordnance was manufactured for the Order. Igraine even found an arc gun in here.
I was unaware that we had lost some of our inventory.
We haven't. Here, give me a hand with this one. See what's in there.
What did you find?
Essex M86. Thermite rifle. They saw their first field action a few weeks ago.
Nice.
This one hasn't been assigned yet. How did the rebels get their hands on these?
I'm making it my business to find out.
Begging your pardon, sir. You need it upstairs.
That's our cue.
Mine now.
I believe Mademoiselle requires our attention.
Igraine, we're in position!
About time!
Move out!
What took you all so long?
There you go.
Rebel down!
Engage at will. I'm reloading.
Understood.
There! On the roof!
I see them.
We need backup! Bloody rebels outnumber us! Inspector! Stay in the reloading!
Oh, I get it.
Target down!
Reloading!